Welcome home to 331 Bickle Dining Room. A unique and peaceful retreat nestled in the rolling hills of East Waterford. Enjoy breathtaking views of nature's beauty from every window, while feeling the serenity of rural living at its finest. This 3-bed, 2-bath home is situated on 11 acres of wooded and open land, with an idyllic stream running through it. Your dream backyard awaits you with plenty of room for outdoor activities. Relax in your own hot tub looking out over your rolling front yard. You'll also have all the convenience and security that comes with having your own backup generator ready to go in case of power outages or emergencies. And when you need extra storage space, there's plenty available in the detached 2-car garage, which features an additional loft area perfect for hobbies or entertaining guests. Come experience all this one-of-a-kind property has to offer. Come see why this one should be your next home.